Okay, so this is part of the assembly or reassembly. The intakes are on, the rails are on, fuel rails, alternator is there. For these bolts that hold the intake manifold to the engine, I used, for the assembly, I used the following. It's a 6mm, so I have two 6mm. One is a stubby, the other one is a regular Allen, and then I used an extension with a 6mm at the end, and ratchets. At the end of the 6mm I used the same method as earlier to open things up. I was able to get all of them on, so the trick or the tip or something I didn't know was that I intuitively put on the oil filter housing before I installed the intake manifolds, thinking that it would be easy to do it then, but in reality it's much harder to put on the bolts that hold the intake manifold. So I had to remove it, and then the routing of the bolts were really easy to install. Well, easy. I mean, it's a tight area and you definitely want to have a magnet at all times ready and on standby. The smaller the better, and the more powerful the better. So now we're about to put the EGR system, and we have our gaskets here, here, and here, and well, let's hope for the best. Let's hope that it fits. It's going to be a challenge for sure. This piece is what connects this to there. We'll see how that goes when we'll cross that bridge when we get there. For now, continuing the assembly.